don't know whether you can see these spiders. You can see one there, yeah? Hold on. You can see it there. Now there's a couple here. They seem to like this particular plant. But see how far their web extends. So that's the main part of their web that I'm assuming that they are catching whatever. Oh my gosh. Look at that one over there. I can zoom in. It's caught something big. Maybe a moth, and it's done what it does. Saved it for later. But their web extends. Now that's just going to follow the thread. So that's the main part of the web there where I'm pointing, and then it extends all the way over. Keep going so that you can see to the moringa tree, where there's about 5 strands which connects it to this particular branch. Now what I've been doing with the spiders, because they do cross most of the paths that I've created, so I try and put them over to the bushiest plant that they're attached to, but they do help keep, the flies, or we have fruit flies as well out here in this particular garden. We also have fruit flies. I've been seeing a lot of fruit flies, and let me see if you can join me on this journey. It's a very quick one, and we'll see if we can scout out some fruit flies, which hopefully they're catching as well. But I've just left it. I've just left them to do what they do, because I don't need to get, here, apart from the turmeric that I've got growing here, and it's not growing tall yet, but I'll show you that in another video. But let's go and see if we can find some fruit flies. But we'd say hello to this little fella, but he's not so little, is he? Or she. Liz. She's gone. Okay, I'm quite far from the actual plant itself, but I thought I'd come here because, as I say, they like to congregate. There's a few there. There's one there. But I found quite a few. They usually like to congregate under my scaevola. There's one there. But there's quite a few of them, but I'm not sure that the spiders are actually positioning themselves in the optimum place. But let's come this way quickly.